Now let us learn some of the formulas. Formulae to transform the sum or difference into product. Sum for plus, difference for minus into product. Here we have sum, sin C plus sin D. This can be written as 2 sin, here C plus D is there, sin C plus sin D. So write down C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. This is the formula for sin C plus sin D. We have sum and difference. Here we have product. So this sum is converted into product. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Whenever we have sin and sin, we have sin and cos in product. Similarly for sin C minus sin D, we have 2 sin, here C minus is there, so write down C minus D by 2. Since minus is there, that's why we have minus here. Now here we have cos C plus D by 2. Sum, difference, here difference and sum, sin cos. We have sin cos combination for both sin. Here we have cos C plus cos D. For cos we have same. It will be 2 cos C plus D by 2. Plus sign is there because plus is there. Here plus is there, that's why plus. Minus is there because minus is there. Similarly 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Plus C by 2 minus C by 2, and both of them are cos because for cos we have both cos for plus sign. Now for cos C minus cos D, minus sign is there, so write down here minus 2. Now take sign. When we see minus, we have sign. Sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Here we have both same sign. Whenever we have C cos, we have same sin and cos. Here different will be there. Now we have already learned this formula, sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now we have already discussed these formulas. In this class we will add these two. Add these two, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, that is equals to, these two terms get cancelled. We have sin A cos B, sin A cos B, so it will become 2 sin A cos B. Now subtract these two. Now subtract sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. It will become, these two get cancelled, cos A sin B plus cos A sin B. It will become 2 cos A sin B. These are also formulas that we have to remember. 2 sin A cos B. Sin and cos is there, so sin A plus B plus sin A minus B will be there. When cos come first, we have minus sign here. If you see sin, then plus sign is there. If cos is there, then it will be minus sign. And A, B will be there. First A will be there, next B will come. Now similarly, add these two formulas. Now add these two, it will become cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. These two terms will get cancelled. We have 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Now subtract this minus this. So it will become cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. These two will get cancelled. Here we have minus, it is also minus, so it will become minus 2 sin A sin B. So these are also formulas that you have to remember. This can also be written as, send this minus to that side, it will become cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equals to 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A sin B values cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So these are the formulas that you have to remember. Here we have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B values 2 sin A cos B. This A plus B value, if we take A plus B is equals to C and A minus B value as D. If we take A plus B value as C, A minus B value as D, solve these two equations, we will get A value as C plus D by 2, B value is C minus D by 2. Put A value here, 2 sin A C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 value. Here we will get sin C sin D. This formula will come from here. Similarly, this will become sin C minus sin D is 2 sin C plus D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 minus sin C minus D by 2. So from this, these formulas have come. Now this cos C minus cos D. So this will become this. So these are the formulas that you have to remember. The value of cos 55 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 175 degree. Now this can be treated as C and this is treated as D. So this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. The value will be 2 cos C plus D, 55 plus 65 divided by 2. C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 55 minus 65 divided by 2 plus cos 175 degree. Now this will become 2 cos 55 plus 65, it will become 120. So 120 by 2 is 60 degree. So it will become 2 cos 60 into cos 65 minus 55 is 10, minus 10 by 2 is minus 5 degree, plus cos 175 can be written as 180 degree minus 5. 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into cos of negative is positive, cos of minus theta value is cos theta. So this will become cos 5 degree. This is in the form of cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this will become minus cos theta value is 5. So 5 degree. Here these two will get cancelled. This is cos 5 degree minus cos 5 degree. So the value is 0. We know that 2 sin A cos B value is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Now we have sin and cos, we do not have 2, so multiply by 2 and write down 1 by 2 into 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, A minus B by 2 plus 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, that is equals to 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin A cos B. Treat this term as A, this term as B. So 2 sin A cos B value is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So it will become sin A plus B, this plus this, A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2 plus sin A minus B by 2. Sin A value is A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. Similarly, this can be written as sin A treat this term as a and this term as b, a plus b. So c plus d by 2 plus c minus d by 2 plus sin c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2 minus of c minus d by 2, that is equals to 2. Now this minus b by 2 plus b by 2 will get cancelled. We have a plus a, 2a by 2 means sin a. This will become sin a plus here minus a by 2 plus a by 2 will get cancelled. We will have 2b by 2, that is b, that is sin b, plus here we will get minus d by 2 plus d by 2, it will have sin c, and here we will get c by 2, c by 2, we will get sin d is equals to, cross multiply this 2 to that side, it will become 4. We have sin a plus sin b plus sin c plus sin d equal to 4. If sin a is equals to sin b is equals to sin c is equals to sin d, value is 1. If all these values 1, substitute here, it will become 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, it will become 4. So all these values are 1. So sin a value is 1. That implies sin 90. Sin 90 degree is 1. So a value will be 90 degree. Similarly, b value, c value and d value all are 90 degree. We got a value, b value, c value, d value as 90 degree. Put those values here, it will become sin a by 2, 90 by 2 is 45. Sin b by 2 means 45 into 45 into 45. So it will become sin 45 power 4, that is 1 by root 2 power 4. That can be written as 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 1 divided by 4 is the answer for this question. In triangle ABC, sin C plus cos C plus sin 2B plus C minus cos 2B plus C equal to 2 root 2, then triangle ABC is dashed. We know that sin C plus sin D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, cos C minus cos D value is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. We know these two formulas, let us apply here. Now we have sin here and sin here. So write down sin C plus sin 2B plus C plus these two terms cos C and this term cos C minus cos 2B plus C is equals to 2 root 2. Now apply here this formula sin C plus sin D, it will become 2 sin sum of these two C plus 2B plus C by 2 into cos difference of these two C minus 2B minus C by 2 plus cos C minus cos D formula. So minus 2 sin, add these two C plus 2B plus C by 2 into sin difference of these two C minus 2B minus C divided by 2, that is equals to 2 root 2. Now C plus C is 2C. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So we have 2 sin B plus C here. Here we have cos of minus B. Cos of minus B. This will become minus 2 sin B plus C. B plus C. Here we have minus sin B. Sin of minus B is equals to 2 root 2. 2 sin B plus C. Cos of negative is positive, so it will become cos B only. Here sin of negative is negative, so this minus and this minus will become 2 sin B plus C into sin B is equals to 2 root 2. We know that in any triangle sum of angles is equals to pi. From this, b plus c value is pi minus a. Here we have b plus c. So b plus c value is pi minus a. Apply sine on both sides. Sine b plus c is equals to sine pi minus a. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So it will become sine a. This will become, take 2 common, it will become sine a cos b plus 2 is common, so it will become sine a sine b is equals to 2 root 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Take sine a common. We have cos b plus sine b is equals to root 2. Now modify this term. Sine a. Write down here 1 by root 2 cos b plus 1 by root 2 sine b is equals to root 2. Here 1 by root 2 is there, so multiply here root 2. This root 2 and this 2 root 2 will get cancelled. So multiply and divide by root 2. Now these 2 will get cancelled. We have sine a into, in terms of cos it will become cos 45 degree. Cos 45 cos b. Here in terms of sine, write down sine 45 plus sine into sine b is equals to 1. Now this can be written as sine a as it is into, this is in the form of cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. So this can be written as cos a minus b, plus sign is there, so put minus sign, b minus 45, b minus 45 degree, that is equals to 1. Product of these two is 1, so either of them is 1. That implies sine a is 1 or cos b minus 45 is equal to 1, or both of them are 1. So sine 90, sine pi by 2 value is 1. So that implies a value is pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Here cos 1 is cos 0, cos 0 value is 1. So that implies b minus 45 degree is 0. So b value is 45 degree. We got a value is 90, b value is 45, c value. From this, c will be 180. 180 minus a value is 90 minus 45. So this will become 45 degree. So two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, b value and c value. So the triangle is isosceles. Here one is 90 degrees, so it is right angle. Hence the ABC triangle is right angle isosceles triangle. Two pi by 5, 6 pi by 5 and 7 pi by 5. These three angles are multiple of pi by 5 only. First is cos pi by 5 plus we have 6 pi by 5. Subtract 6 minus 5, we have 1. So this has 1 and this is also has 1. So take this term cos 6 pi by 5 plus write down this cos 2 pi by 5. Now 7 minus 5, how much? 7 minus 5 is 2. So this write down, this will be here cos 7 pi by 5. This can be written as cos pi by 5 plus here we have 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 value is 1. So this can be written as cos pi by 5 as it is. Here we write down plus pi. 5 into pi is 5 pi plus 1 is 6 pi plus 5. Similarly write down cos 2 pi by 5 plus cos, write down here it will become 2 pi by 5. This term 2 pi by 5 plus pi. 5 into pi is 5 pi plus 2 pi is 7 pi by 5. So this will become cos pi by 5 plus cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta value is minus cos theta. So this will become minus cos pi by 5 plus cos 2 pi by 5. This will become minus cos 2 pi by 5. So the value will be 0. Given x cos theta equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 equal to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, then the value of xy plus yz plus zx is. Given x cos theta is equals to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equals to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. All these values are equal. If these three are equal, then this must be equal to some other value k. Now equate these two. X cos theta equal to k. Then x value will be k divided by cos theta. Similarly, equate these two. Y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equals to k. Then y value will be k divided by cos theta plus 2 pi by 3. Similarly, equate these two. It will become z is equals to k divided by cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. We got x value, y value, z value. Here we want xy plus yz plus zx. Now we have xy. We have xy here. We don't have z. So multiply z, divide by z. Plus we have yz here. Multiply x, divide by x. Plus here x, y is missing. So write down x, y, z. X, y is not there. So put y here. In numerator we have xyz common, so take it out common. X, y, z common. We have 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So it will become 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now put the values x into y into z. 1 by x. Here we have x value. So 1 by x means reciprocal, cos theta by k. Plus 1 by y value. 1 by value is reverse, reciprocal, cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 divided by k plus z value. 1 by z value means cos theta plus 4 pi divided by 3 divided by k. Now take k common. We have x, y, z divided by k. Cos theta plus cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Now this can be written x, y, z divided by k, cos theta as it is. Now we can apply here cos c, treat this as c and this is d. Cos c plus cos d formula. So it will become 2 cos c plus d. Add these two. Theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus 4 pi by 3 divided by 2. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. Subtract minus theta minus 4 pi by 3 divided by 2. That is equals to x, y, z divided by k into cos theta. Here we have theta plus theta is 2 theta. 2 theta by 2 is theta. So it will become 2 cos theta. 2 pi by 3 plus 4 pi by 3 is value is 6 pi by 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 pi by 3. So it will become pi into cos. These two will get cancelled. We have 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, pi by 3. So it will become minus pi by 3. Here we have x, y, z divided by k into cos theta cos 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta, so it will become minus cos theta, and minus of cos theta is plus cos theta. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60, cos 60 value is 1 by 2, so these two will get cancelled. Cos theta minus cos theta is 0, so this into 0 is 0, so our final answer is 0. If cos 6x plus 6 cos 4x plus 15 cos 2x plus 10 upon 6 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus cos 10 cos x equal to 1, find smallest positive value of x. We know that cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. Now here the coefficient of cos 6x is 1. So write down cos 6x, coefficient is 1 here. So this 6 can be splitted as 1 cos 4x. Here 1 is there, cos 6x, 1 cos 6x. Here 6 is there, so 1 cos 4x, 5 cos 4x. If we add these two, 1 plus 5, it will become 6. So based on this coefficient, we have splitted these. Now here we have 10. So 10 is there. So split this into 10, 10 cos 2x plus 5 cos 2x. So this 15 is splitted as 5 plus 2. 5 plus 10 cos 2x divided by cos x cos 5x, cos 5x, 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x is equals to 1. Now write down these two, cos 6x plus cos 4x. Take common 5 here, it will become 5 into cos 4x plus cos 2x. Take common 10 here, it will become 10 into cos 2x plus 1 divided by cos 5x, 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x, that is equals to 1. Now this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d, it will become 2 cos c plus d. 6x plus 4x is 10x, 10x by 2 is 5x, into subtract 6x minus 4x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x, so it will become cos x plus 5 into cos c plus cos d, it will become 2 cos c plus d. 4x plus 2x is 6x by 2 is 3x, into cos 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x plus 10. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, formula is 2 cos square theta, so it will become 2 cos square x upon now take common cos x and cos x, so it will become cos x, this will become 2 cos 5x, okay 2 is also there, take 2 common, cos 5x, here it will become 5 cos 3x plus 2 is common, so 10 cos x divided by cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x is equals to 1. Now cos 5x, 5 cos 3x, 5 cos 3x, 10 cos x. So these two will get cancelled. We have 2 cos x is equals to 1. Cos x is equals to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So x value will be 60 degree. This is the smallest positive value of x. Given tan a plus b equal to 3 tan a, then sin 2a plus b equal to k1 sin b, find k1. Sin 2 into a plus b plus sin 2a equal to k2 sin b cos b, then find k2. Given tan a plus b, value is 3 tan a. Tan can be written as in terms of sine, so sin a plus b divided by cos b, cos a plus b. So tan can be written as sine by cos. Similarly, 3 tan sin a divided by cos a. Now cross multiply, this will come here and this will come here, so it will become sin a plus b cos a divided by cos a plus b into sin a is equals to 3. Here we have 1. Now we can apply component and dividend. Apply component and dividend. Add these two. Sin a plus b cos a plus cos a plus b into sin a. Adding these two, now subtract these two. Sin a plus b cos a minus cos a plus b sin a. Add these two, 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. This is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b form. So treat this as a, this is b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Formula will be sin a plus b. A value is a plus b. A plus b plus a divided by minus sign is there. So sin a plus b minus a is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2. Now this will become sin a plus a 2a plus b is equals to 2. Here we got these two, it cancel by sin a. Cross multiply, it will become sin b here. So now compare this with this, sin 2a plus b equal to k1 sin b. Therefore by comparing, k1 value is 2. Similarly, we have sin 2 into a plus b plus sin 2a equal to k2 sin b cos b. Here apply sin a sin b formula. So this will become 2 sin c plus sin d formula. So it will become 2 sin c plus d by 2. Add these two, it will become 2a plus 2b, 2a plus 2b plus 2a by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. C value is this, 2a, 2b minus 2a by 2 is equals to k2 sin b cos b. It will become 2 sin 2a plus 2a is 4a, 4a by 2 is 2a plus b. Here we got cos 2a cancel, 2 cancel, so cos b is equals to k2 sin b cos b. 2a plus 2b, 4a become 2a. Okay, sin 2a plus b into cos b is equals to this. This cos b and cos b will get cancelled. We have 2 sin 2a plus b is equals to k2 sin b. We have sin 2a plus b. Sin 2a plus b value is k1 into sin b. So 2 into this value can be written as k1 sin b is equals to k2 sin b. Sin b get cancelled. 2 into k1 value is 2. That is equals to k2. Therefore k2 value is 4. This is the solution for this question.